Like and subscribe if you like it, please.
Guys, the bear has been
Sleep the bird here.
waking up. This is kind of scary.
Цаадлаас тэрээр модон дээр хөлөөдөө унтцаа. Бид нэр ингээ хөлөө юм дээр дэж
Look
унтдаг.
at that, guys. Look at that. He's scary.
Гарч ийн. Тэр унт.
Guys, this is the bull section. Yeah. Grinding section is the back. Hey, guys.
Миний үнээр тасарцаа газар ээ.
Okay, I got to close the window for sure. It's kind of scary.
Тэр бүр замаач.
Oh, this is the
Шинэ орж ирсэн.
Oh my god.
Оо, эцэг жижигэн доглоно шүү.
Baby.
Энд чинь нөгөө муухан дайр гал давхтэгтэй.
Hey guys, this is the line section.
Лайны хоёр талд хоёр машин зогсд юм байна манайхаа.
That was my mom saying.
Лайн жоохон
She's kind of yelling too much.
dangerous.
Mommy, please don't yell, please.
I didn't tell you.
No, you're yelling so. What the?
Энэ арай л том баха идэхэд. Эсвэл амнахын дуусаагүй амлаа.
Guys, I know this is like so confused that
Цаашаа гэж.
the
Би
elephant is eating the grass and we're seeing it so closely. That looks so cool. Okay, but I don't know if you can see this, but the giraffes are kissing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're kissing so much. I think they love each other so much, guys. Okay. Giraffe section over.
За за.
Hello guys, this is the rhino section and that rhino's horn is literally so spiky. I can't even imagine how I can touch that.
Ой тий.
Guys, I don't know what animal this is, but that baby looks so cute. Now look at his horn. That's like a sword.
His mom.
You could be killed. You could get killed in like 5 minutes or something. Okay. I know station is over. Guys, I think we did see the tiger section. So next I think it's gonna be
Энэ хойд
cheetah section, guys.
заагаар руугаа явж байгаа шүү дээ.
Okay guys, let's do it. I was scamming this cheetah, but there's two cheetah. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to them.
90.
Cheetah.
If they attack me, I'm gonna die for sure. You can die. Please, God save me. If I die, please, God save me, God. Why? Why, bro? Oh my god.
Мэднэ шүү дээ. Тэгээд зөмлээ.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Тийм би.
Аяах уу?
Юу яг энэ хажуунаас нь орчихсан амар зүг юм бидсэн шүү дээ. Энэ тэгэхээр сүүл хөлн нь шүү дээ. Сүүл нь амар орчих шүү дээ.
Наач сүүлээрээ зал.
Let's go. Oh my gosh.
За хичнээн шаараа. Ямар вэ? Гоё юм. Ханганаа шаараа. Ямар вэ?
Oh, long neck. She's just so cute. Beautiful girl.